If you guys have a lithium ion batteries, I'd highly recommend getting a smart charger that's going to charge your lithium ion batteries. If you don't, this charger is going to do that as well, but really specifically where it shines is lithium ion batteries. This charger right here, I have been on the road full time for over 2 years, almost 3 years, and it has come in handy every single time I need to go charge. Case in point, right here, I am actually on a project right here for some of my neighbors who they said that this battery has died, and this lawnmower is a long way away. They thought they were going to have to get a new lawnmower or a new battery, but now here comes the true test right here. Can we actually charge this battery using this charger right here? We are officially charging this guy right here. Now, the cool thing about this is that I can run it just off of a portable battery bank, but it also just gives you an app here. And it's been sitting here for a while, so now we're at 1420 volts, if you can see that. And so it's about ready to be started, this lawnmower, because it is clear back in this field and not close to power at all. And I've been able to power it up, charge it up, see when it's ready to go. And now we just got to crank it over and mow the lawn. I just want to go over a couple highlights real quick. Like I said, this really excels for the lithium ion batteries. This is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if you're going to put it on your boat or whatever. You can change the mode from lithium ion, rig conditioning, and then normal batteries are going to be for the AGM cells. Right now we're in absorption mode, which is charging, like it's slowly charging. So bulk mode is like where it's going to rapid charge. Absorption mode, slow it down. Float mode is where it's just going to keep it topped off. And then storage mode, if you're going to be just letting it sit for a while and then just keeping it topped off so the battery never ever dies. 12 volt, 15 amp right here. Not a whole lot to talk about this charger other than it is my go-to charger for any battery needs that I have. So we got the battery charged up. I was looking everywhere for this key right here. I couldn't find it, so they actually had it inside. Thank goodness they were here. So now let's go crank this guy up. See if we can't get it started off. As soon as I turned the fuel line on, it cranked up. The battery charger charged it perfectly.